Maintaining makeup tools. In this lesson, we will talk a bit about other tools you use every day as a makeup artist, but need to pay close attention to use them to their fullest. First, let us talk about maintaining your pencils. As we mentioned before, your skin contains debris and dead skin and oils, so do your eyes and lips, and therefore is getting transferred onto your pencils every time you use it. To stop this from posing a real problem in germ and bacteria transfer from client to client, you have to take precautions. The easiest one is always to sharpen your pencils, because when you sharpen them, you remove the pencil's top layer, thus removing all the bacteria from it. So, before each use, sharpen the pen, and after you are done using it, return the lid on the pencil, stopping dust and other debris from the air to get to the pencil. The next thing we should mention is the proper maintenance of the pencil sharpeners. You got to be pretty annoyed because you have to think about the hygiene of almost every makeup tool you have in the studio. But it is an essential aspect. So, first of all, pencil sharpeners are very cheap, so replace them at least once a year, because they often come with dispensers for the pencil's shavings to be collected inside it. When you collect all the germs and bacteria we talked about a few moments ago, be sure that they keep on living inside of that shaving dispenser and continue to grow in numbers, so you can transfer bacteria from the sharpener to the pencil if it gets used a lot. Also, you need to keep the sharpener clean after use. To do this, empty the shavings from the dispenser first of all. After that is done, use a cotton swab dipped into isopropyl alcohol. It is also known as rubbing alcohol, and working your way around the dispenser's inside and blade. Alcohol will act as a disinfectant and kill the germs that get in the way. Also, a simple tip to share with you while we are talking about the pencil sharpeners: do not use pencil sharpeners you would get for regular lead pencils that you might have been using for school and drawing to sharpen your makeup pencils. They are not made for sharpening makeup pencils, which are much oilier than regular pencils, and thus will not do as good a job as specific sharpeners for makeup pencils will. And suppose you used standard sharpeners that you used for sharpening regular pencils on makeup pencils. In that case, you are creating a significant risk of transferring some wood shavings or graphite into the client's eyes. And trust us, you do not want that. You can get makeup pencil sharpeners in any makeup store or the makeup section of any drugstore in your neighborhood. Tools like tweezers, eyebrow trimmers, nail clippers, and eyelash curlers should ideally be washed after each use using at least soap and water. And have in mind to sanitize them entirely after a few uses. Alcohol-dipped cotton pad will be an excellent combination for you to ensure that all the tools are clean and sanitized. Now you are familiarized with the proper maintenance process for most makeup tools out there. If you ever forget how to approach proper cleaning techniques for some of the tools, you can always come back to these lessons or ask Google for help.